Hello guys, it's Johnny Time and welcome to another DeFi tutorial. It's been a while since I posted videos about Mirror Protocol and a lot has been changed. So this is a new tutorial, complete guide about Mirror Protocol, what I think about the Mirror Protocol, about the Mirror token or the Terra ecosystem in general. So if it sounds interesting, watch the video till the end. But before we start, make sure to subscribe and click the bell button so anytime I post this kind of new DeFi tutorial educational videos, you can get them while they are hot. Subscribe and become DeFi masters here with me in Johnny Time. So I have posted videos about Mirror Protocol in the past. If you want to watch them, I'll put links in the description below. And today we're gonna speak about Mirror Protocol and what I think the future of it and what has been changed and what's the future of the Mir token. So if you are not familiar with Mirror Protocol, it's basically a protocol on the Terra Luna ecosystem. You can access it using Terra Station wallet and using UST, which is the stablecoin on the Terra ecosystem. You can buy, sell and farm stocks on the blockchain. If it's Tesla, Microsoft, Airbnb, AMD, Amazon, etc. So you can buy stocks, represented stocks on the blockchain using oracles and market making algorithms. So this is the documentation if you want to read of how it works. We are not going to get too technical of how Mirror works and how the assets are being mirrored on the Terra blockchain, the real assets on the real life. So basically, you can access real life assets, stocks on the blockchain. We're just gonna read a bit. Welcome to the Mirror documentation website. What is Mirror? Mirror is a DeFi protocol powered by smart contracts on the Terra network that enables the creation of synthetic assets called Mirror assets or M assets. M assets mimic the price behavior of real world assets and give traders anywhere in the world open access to price exposure without the burdens of owning or transacting real assets. So anywhere in the world, you don't need to open an interactive brokers account or any brokerage account. You can just open a wallet with some crypto and buy real world assets, which is amazing. But not only that it has real world assets for trading, you can also farm liquidity, doing liquidity mining and farms. So basically, for example, here, let's take this example, Airbnb. You can provide liquidity in the form of Airbnb, 50% of Airbnb and 50% of UST, and generate 31% APR yield. It's around 3% a month. So imagine you hold the Airbnb stock and also you hold UST, which is $1. It's a stable coin, and then you generate every month 3% extra yield on the form of Mir tokens. Now you can hold your Mir tokens if you are bullish on the Mirror Protocol or the Mir token, or maybe you can sell it for UST or for more Airbnb stocks. But the thing is that not only you can buy stocks on the blockchain, but you can provide liquidity and do yield farming and generate extra yield, which is cool and super amazing. You can do it for Airbnb, Netflix, Amazon. Another cool thing that you can do is actually short stocks, borrow stocks. So you can borrow stocks in a collateral ratio of 150% and then sell them at the moment. And then of course you will need to give back your loan. So you need to, this is called short borrowing. You need to provide 150% collateral, which means that if you want to, let's say, borrow $10,000 worth of Apple, you will need to have in your wallet $15,000, okay? So you need to provide collateral in order to borrow the assets. And also another cool thing is you can make yield farming on your short position. So let's say you're gonna short Google. I don't know why you would want to do it because it's a crazy company that always appreciate, but if you're crazy and you want to short Google, then you can add liquidity in the form of shorting Google assets and then UST, and then you can generate 44% APR, which is around 4% every month, which is cool and amazing and great. And this is Mirror Protocol. This is how it works. It has also governance. So the Mir token is actually a farming token. So all these kind of farming yields are distributed using the Mir token. Right now the Mir token is 2.7 UST, which is $2.7, and also it's being used, the Mir token, as a governance token. So you can basically vote on proposals and decide where the platform is gonna go in the future by staking your Mir tokens, and they are basically a governance token. You can vote on proposals and change the future of the Miro protocol project. So this is basically what it functions. And let's now talk about the Mir token, what I think about it. So actually 3 months ago, I made a video about how I'm bullish about Mir token and why I think it might 10x soon, and I was wrong. Because if you see right now, the Mir token is just declining. It's $2.7, and it's quite sad because I myself hold Mir tokens and I'm very bullish on this project and in general about this idea. But I think there is a problem with the Mir token, and the problem is inflation. It's an inflationary token because right now Mir tokens are being minted to all the liquidity providers, and the more Mir tokens are in supply, people might sell them, and then it basically leads to the decrease of the Mir token price. And it doesn't mean that I sold my Mir tokens. I still believe in it. I still hold it because I think that in general, DeFi tokens might pump soon, and it didn't. We're just starting with DeFi and DEXs and staked asset and basically mirrored assets on the blockchain, and I think that it might appreciate in the future, maybe going back to the all-time highs of $12. I don't know when, but I believe that this project is high quality project and the Mir token might break all-time high soon. The problem is that again, it's inflationary, and I think that one of the things that Miro protocol need to consider, the governance, the DAO that decides which things are going to happen, is find more utilities for the Mir token rather than governance and farm token, because right now it's inflationary by definition, and we need to find more things, more features, and be creative about it, how people can use Mir token and burn Mir tokens, like for example what PancakeSwap are doing or any other projects are doing. So this is my idea, this is my basically I would say point of view about Miro protocol. I'm not selling my Mir tokens. I'm still farming and staking them. By the way, you can farm your Mir tokens. You can add liquidity of Mir and UST and generate 38% APR at the moment. Of course, the APR are being changed when the Mir token being changed, because the rewards are in form of Mir token, and also they are being changed dependent on the amount of liquidity that is provided already in the farms. But right now it's quite cool, and I staked my Mir and UST tokens to generate more Mir. I also have some stocks that I provide liquidity, and I farm Mir tokens, and that's about it. This is the updated November 2022, December 2021, sorry, about the Mir protocol, what I think about it and what I think about Mir token. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and if you like this content and you learned something new today, please tell your friends who are in crypto about it, and consider subscribing and clicking the bell button so anytime I post this kind of tutorial you can get them as soon as possible. Also consider clicking the like button. It really helps to the YouTube algorithm to expose this video to many more people that can learn like you about Miro protocol. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.